Hello friends, welcome to Buddha Blessed Life. Confidence is a profound quality that shapes our perception of ourselves and influences our interactions with the world. It's the inner trust we have in our abilities and the belief that we can succeed. In this journey towards self-assurance, confident individuals often find joy in their accomplishments, deriving pride from the hard work invested. They understand the delicate balance of taking on tasks, acknowledging that overcommitting can lead to stress, and are adept at asserting themselves by saying no when necessary. The teachings of Buddhism offer insightful lessons on confidence that resonate across various aspects of life. Let's explore these teachings and understand how they contribute to the development of a more confident and fulfilling existence. Lesson 1. Be kind to yourself. This fundamental principle advocates treating oneself with kindness, akin to planting seeds of love and warmth within the heart. In Buddhism, this concept, known as metta or loving kindness, emphasizes self-acceptance. Imagining giving oneself a warm hug symbolizes recognizing one's inherent worth without the need for external validation. The kindness extended to oneself serves as nourishment, slowly helping an individual grow. This self-love becomes a beacon that illuminates the positive aspects of one's identity, fostering an environment where confidence can blossom. By quieting the inner voice of self-doubt, individuals can build resilience and overcome life's challenges, creating a more harmonious internal landscape. Lesson 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. Drawing parallels with a garden full of diverse flowers, this lesson encourages individuals to appreciate their unique qualities. The act of comparison often leads to feelings of inadequacy, and breaking free from this cycle is akin to letting one's flower bloom without being overshadowed by external influences. The acknowledgement that each person is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece fosters a mindset of self-appreciation. By embracing authenticity and letting go of the need for constant comparison, confidence is allowed to flourish. The lesson highlights the importance of appreciating individual strengths, understanding that everyone has a unique contribution to make to the beauty of the world. Lesson 3. Face your fears. Utilizing the metaphor of fear as a dark cloud, Buddhism teaches that confronting fears is like allowing sunlight to pierce through, dispelling darkness. This courageous act not only conquers fears, but also strengthens inner resilience. Facing challenges is likened to lifting weights for the inner self, contributing to the development of an individual's strength and confidence. The analogy of a comfortable zone as a cozy blanket emphasizes the idea that true confidence thrives outside this zone, urging individuals to step beyond their comfort and embrace personal growth. Lesson 4. Do things you're good at. Comparing skills and talents to shining stars within, this lesson encourages individuals to engage in activities that make these stars twinkle. It's not about being the best, but recognizing and nurturing what makes one shine. This recognition, analogous to a mirror reflecting a positive self-image, forms the foundation for building confidence. The lesson underscores the uniqueness of each person's talents, emphasizing that doing what one excels at is akin to a workout for confidence. Like a magnet attracting metal, joy attracts confidence, making engaging in activities that bring joy a powerful strategy for building and sustaining confidence. Lesson 5. Be proud of the small things. Painting life as a series of steps, this lesson advocates celebrating small victories as a crucial component of building confidence. Life's journey, likened to a marathon, requires acknowledging progress made along the way. Being proud of small achievements is compared to tending to a garden of gratitude, recognizing the beauty in the ordinary. The lesson underscores the idea that confidence is not just found in grand accomplishments, but is built upon the foundation of appreciating and celebrating small victories daily. Lesson 6. Do not judge others. Imagining a world without judgment, this lesson urges individuals to plant seeds of compassion by avoiding criticism and appreciating the struggles and joys of others. Letting go of judgment is deemed crucial for building confidence, as it provides fertile soil for the blossoming of one's confidence flower. The lesson portrays a world where kindness is contagious, emphasizing that positive energy, like a boomerang, comes back to the giver. Lesson 7. Surround yourself with positive people. Depicting life as a journey, this lesson highlights the importance of choosing positive companions as travel companions. Positive people are likened to cheerleaders, offering support and uplifting each other. The contagious nature of positivity is emphasized, creating a harmonious environment that contributes to building and maintaining confidence. Lesson 8. Learn to say no. Using the metaphor of life as a buffet, this lesson encourages individuals to decline activities that do not align with their goals. Learning to say no is portrayed as a discerning choice, akin to being a discerning diner who chooses only what nourishes them. Setting boundaries and preserving energy by saying no is highlighted as essential for building and maintaining confidence. Lesson 9. Speak up. Portraying one's voice as a powerful instrument, this lesson equates speaking up to play a melodious tune. It emphasizes self-expression, affirming one's existence, and contributing to the symphony of life. Speaking up is likened to signing one's name on the canvas of life, affirming identity and building connections with authenticity. The lesson underscores that speaking up is a powerful tool for building confidence. Lesson 10. Take time to listen. Using the metaphor of conversations as bridges connecting people, this lesson underscores the importance of taking time to listen. Listening is portrayed as reinforcing the pillars of these bridges, fostering understanding and building connections. The lesson compares empathy to a bridge that allows individuals to walk in others' shoes, emphasizing the role of listening in creating a confident and harmonious community. In conclusion, these lessons from Buddhism provide a comprehensive guide to cultivating confidence. Each lesson offers a unique perspective, contributing to the holistic development of an individual's self-assurance. By embracing kindness, avoiding comparisons, facing fears, engaging in activities that showcase talents, celebrating small victories, refraining from judgment, surrounding oneself with positivity, setting boundaries, speaking up, and taking time to listen, individuals can navigate life's journey with confidence and authenticity. Buddhism, with its profound insights, serves as a timeless source of wisdom for those seeking to build and sustain confidence in their lives.